Hello everyone, my name is Shazina Ahmed and I'm the Associate Dean for Academic Support at UAL. A big welcome to all of you from Academic Support. I know that the last few months have been a challenging time for all of us in many ways, but it's also brought great opportunities for all of us to collaborate and work together to embrace new ways of thinking and working. If you're returning to UAL for your next year of study, we're so happy to have you back. For new students who are just joining our community, we're really excited to work with you on your unique learning journey. As you start a new academic year, please take advantage of the many services and offers available to help you achieve your full potential. Through academic support, you can explore and improve your own learning and study practices in areas like critical thinking, reading, writing, research, presentation, ideas, and working with others. You'll learn to use libraries, archives, digital tools, and environments skillfully, and you'll be able to develop an understanding of and critical engagement with the university expectations, as well as deepening your own and other points of view. We will be providing an online offer at present, but please contact us if you feel that you will find that difficult in any way. We'll be very pleased to discuss possible alternative arrangements with you. Visit the Academic Support site to find resources, mostly developed especially for our arts subjects, and to register for face-to-face support sessions, both specific to your college and university-wide. Please let us know if you can't find what you need, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Please email academicsupport@arts.ac.uk. Supporting you is central to our role in academic support. We hope you have a great year, and good luck and best wishes.